what's up guys, it's your boy Auggie, back to your Parts Online Network. Today is not an update on this broken truck, or that broken Dodge, or that broken Dodge. We actually have a special guest in the shop that I haven't seen since 2017 when we took a road trip to Detroit. The Miller Lite Chug and Ginger's working on it, but we have Envy. I'm sure if you guys are in the Viper group and SRT10 groups, you've definitely seen this truck, or as I like to call it, cars. So it's a really sexy car. It's all pretty and everything, and he has no idea what that is. Gotta bleep that out. But we also have its owner, Dave Mosteller. He wanted to appear in the show. Andy's
Oh, no, I got to duck down. Augie's a little shorter than me. Let me get to your level here, Auggie.
I got 9 toes, bro. Leave me alone. So Andy's in the office doing some work. So today we are actually, I'll show you. Yeah, work. I'll show you right now. So what's happening to Envy today is she's getting a beautiful set of Belanger headers, which they're actually helping us out and sponsor a set of headers for a parts truck. That'll be coming soon. So we have a beautiful set of Belanger headers, some mid pipes. It's getting a new Luck clutch. We were hoping to get shocks done today, but we are not magicians and can't make parts come out of nowhere. And the biggest thing that we're also supposed to be doing is that we're going to be doing a 4x4 conversion on Envy. So wait for that. But so I'm gonna let him get back to work. And we'll just periodically update you. That truck looks so good. But yeah, so she's getting some decent amount of work and modifications done to her, so she could be an even prettier show car, truck, whatever you want to call it. But
the best snakeskin green Viper truck.
Should we throw this in it? I don't know. You let me know. That was kind of heavy. You did see me struggle for a bit. But yeah, so we'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hey, what's up, guys? Augie back to your Parts Online Network. This is just an additional portion of the video. We got shocks done, rear shocks. We got the clutch done, and now we're currently working on some beautiful Belanger headers. Let me see if I can get over here. I believe they have some lights. Oh, over here. Oh, look at those beauts. Going right in there. Andy's actually on the ground doing some work for a change.
Power bottom.
But yeah. So we got the clutch in, and we also did the rear shocks. I will come back to this. So we have some new Bilsteins sitting right there. And I believe we're waiting for the fronts, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we're still waiting for the fronts. And other than that, Envy should be riding out of here today. Andy's taking off the O2 sensors off of these cats, because we put other cats back on this car, because we always follow rules.
This follows all state regulations for South Carolina. It will pass its safety inspection there.
Yeah, okay. Anyway.
There's no safety inspection.
Oh, there's no safety inspection there anyway. So yeah. So we're gonna get the headers put on this side, and then once the front shocks come in, we'll have that out, and then hopefully she'll be able to go outside and I don't know. Depends on how big the cojones are. He might do a little Bernie for us. So, see you guys in a bit. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Auggie from Parts Online Network.
God bless.
We're tired. Shut up, Nate. So,
Goblins.
we are finally done Envy, and Dave finally gets the heck out of our hair because he's been here the entire time. There he goes. He's just cleaning it because she is pretty. I'll give him that. We ran.
It is. I want to throw this.
All right, Andy wants to talk.
Said it is pretty. It literally is the nicest truck that has ever been at the shop. But don't tell Dave that. I don't want him to get a bigger head than he already has, because if you know Dave, he has an ego.
The biggest.
But it's going to be even bigger when he watches this video and hears that.
The new headers, I couldn't hear anything. What was that?
Who put them on?
Belanger.
Oh,
No.
Bellinger.
And Belanger. Thank you, Belanger. Thank you. Awesome.
All right, can you talk about what problems we had?
Oh God. This is going to be an example of what you guys don't see behind the scenes. Dave was here the whole time, so he saw all the issues that we had. We had to cut one of the mid pipes down to make it fit properly. We had issues getting the transmission in the first time, we had to take the transmission out because there needed to be a spacer put behind the slave cylinder to make sure that the clutch disengaged properly, because after we put the trans in, it would not go into gear. This is all the stuff that you do not see behind the scenes, where we basically did the job a second time for free.
The first clutch master cylinder, you forgot to put
Oh,
things
that's
on.
true, yeah.
So we had to get another new one.
That was my mistake though.
But still, literally everything fought us like
The
that.
Yeah.
not corroded hangers that we had to replace all those.
But yeah, so
Not corroded.
Just janky
so
exhaust, all
it's
the
been a long day.
busted out,
It's
snapping.
he has a 12-hour ride home, and he has to listen to this beautiful truck. That's pretty. Oh, he wants me to do a quick walk around so you can see how pretty Envy is in all of her green glory. There you go. Do a nice little walk around. There will be some. I'll try to get some pictures and videos of this beauty. Maybe some rolling shots. It's just been a long day. It is already almost 2 hours past our closing time. So yeah, so we did the Bilstein shocks, front, back, Belanger headers, clutch, and there is a 4-wheel drive that we installed, but we're not going to show you that. We'll save that one for later. But that's pretty much it. I'll throw some pictures in the video of what we're doing in a bit. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye, Dave. Have a nice safe home. And I guess Andy wants to say one more thing.
I just heard Auggie saying it was a real long day, but he didn't tell you what time he showed up today.
Look, the time I got here is the time I got here. Mind y'all business. I'll talk to y'all later.
You guys supposed to be quiet?
The guest needs to shut the up so I can make this video. I'm recording this too. It's gonna be a lot of beeps. Listen, Linda.
Linda.
All right, shut up. Shut up.
Everybody shut the f*** up.
God bless.
Goblins.
Andy got it right. All right.